In this 3D Toon Town review, I'm going to be showing you how you can create high converting 3D animated explainer videos without complicated software in just 2 minutes. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades and how you can get a discount on one of them. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals in upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out 3D Toon Town, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. It makes you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of JVZoo after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says, unlock the power of cutting-edge 3D animation studio to create stunning videos in any niche within minutes. Convert prospects into sales with your personalized 3D animation videos that grab more attention. So if you've ever seen any of these videos before and you've wondered how people do them, normally it's either a lot of schooling or you pay someone a lot of money to do it. Now you can actually use these different assets that you can edit inside of any major editing software and be able to do it like anyone can do it. You don't need to it says video is no longer an option. Video is a necessity. You don't need to be a designer or a professional in order to be able to customize and use these kinds of assets. So inside this, you get all these different animated characters, explainer templates, packs, adventure packs, 3D scene backgrounds, everything you need in order to create your own videos using this kind of power here. So they say step one, you select your template. Then you customize it, and then you simply export it, and you can start using it in all of your marketing. And you can see all the different assets as you scroll down the page. You can even play little videos here and see what they actually look like, and all these different videos that you'll have access to that you can customize for your own business. Now, the front end offer here, it's going to be a low-priced front end offer. They've got unlimited 3D video creation with this. You don't have to worry about that. And you get the commercial license. So if you want to create videos and sell them on places like Fiverr, you can do that as well. I'm going to play you a little video here explaining this a little bit more. Then I'm going to come back, show you the backend area, the OTOs, and how you can get a discount on one of them.
Creating world-class 3D animation has never been easier. Choose your favorite template, customize, export, and you're done. Introducing 3D Toon Town. Now you can unlock the power of a cutting-edge 3D animation studio to create stunning videos in any niche within minutes using PowerPoint or any major video editor. You'll get 14 modules that make 3D Toon Town complete and ready to help you create highly engaging 3D animated videos in minutes. Let's check out the preview. With an exhaustive collection of animation assets inside, 3D Toon Town will help you easily create animation videos, graphic designs, presentations, interactive content, or any other needs, all done easily using 3D Toon Town. And the best news? You'll get a free commercial license so you can create amazing 3D videos for your customers and keep 100% of the profits you make. So, what are you waiting for? Get 3D Toon Town now and start creating world-class animation videos like never before.
Okay, so we are back. So this is the backend area. Once you purchase, you have access to all these different assets here that you can load up into your software. Again, you can use PowerPoint to edit with this or Keynote as a way of doing that. So it depends on whether you're on a Mac or a PC. There are multiple upgrades. So the first one's a pro version. You get extra animations, extra templates with the commercial license. So if you want to get even more of them, you can pick this one up here. It has tons more stuff included, but it's an optional upgrade if you say no to that. So if you click on no thanks here, it will take you to a discounted version of this. So you can get this at a discounted price. I make less as an affiliate by showing this to you. So please go ahead and hit that like button. I really appreciate that. And then the next upgrade is a big discount on a bundle of all their extra products here. They've got LaVideo Play Mockup. They've got LaVideo Pro and LaVideo Animation. So you can get all of these at a discounted price if you purchase it right here. It's a little more expensive, but you're getting access to 3 different products at a discounted price. All these OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about 3D Toon Town and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, with these kind of asset type products, if you're expecting you're going to get some fancy software, you're not going to get it. It's not a software, it's assets. So just be aware of that when you are purchasing. What do I like about this? Getting these kind of videos created can be very expensive. So if you're someone that would prefer to spend a little bit of time doing it and not spend money, then check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my 3D Toon Town review. If you want to take a look at it, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.